Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. So today we're going to take a look at another bargain tarot deck that I came across. This was literally $1 at Five Below, so I thought, let's chance it! So I'm kind of interested to see how this will work up. It's only the cards, there's no guidebook, and again, $1. I ripped this because I was trying to see if within the packaging, if there was, if the cards were wrapped, but they weren't, and I ended up ripping the package. But it says Celestial Tarot Cards. Tarot cards are an ancient form of fortune telling used to explore the realms of possibility. This deck encourages mystical exploration and divine interpretation. Instructions not included. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is distributed by Callan. It doesn't really have an author or an artist labeled, so we're gonna go with it and see if there's anything else in this tuck box. All right, come on out. Okay, well, they are all cards. Here's the back. Not bad. I don't mind the back at all. Makes sense. We got it. Cool. All right. And it looks like it's going to be very symbol based. Let's take a look at the cards. Ooh, you know what? For $1, that's not bad. So it is glossy, but it is a nice little snapback there. Okay, let's continue here. So we do have borders. We have a big O number right there. You know, it might not be a bad investment for a practice deck. You could like write the words, the meanings on the cards, use them as flashcards for $1. There's a lot of possibilities. You can literally like write on this. You can create whatever you want to help you remember or help you learn. This could be a really good learning beginner deck as far as that goes. But as always, have a reference book that you trust and you enjoy right next to you if you are learning, if you are a beginner, because that's always going to help you out. I need to do a tarot book video, which I will get to and share my favorite books that I still use and enjoy. So for $1, it was either $1 or $3. I can't quite remember, but it was under $5 because we were at Five Below. And I'm quite impressed with just the symbols here already. I think it could definitely be great as a flash card deck. I'm not mad at it, actually. Now, as a beginner, it's going to be definitely hard for you to maybe use at first because there's not a lot going on, but it has the basics down as far as the Rider-Waite-Smith deck goes. I'm like really shocked. I wasn't sure what I was, you know, going to expect when I purchased it, but this is kind of awesome for that price tag. Wow. I'll link below where you can purchase this. If you can only find it at Five Below, I'm not sure. But after I get done with the video, I'll always have the legit places to purchase down in my description box. I mean, it's not terrible. Wow. I'm excited to see how it shuffles because they feel like the, you know, like the playing cards, like the bicycle playing card. It feels like that kind of cardstock. This would be a really good travel deck too, because if you lose it, you're not losing a very expensive deck. You can use this. I know a lot of people like having a tarot deck that they can use the cards for spells or use them for altar work or use them like you can take a card with you and put it in your car or your purse if you want to use the energy for, you know, good travel or successful travel or whatever the case may be that you would want to bring the card with you, use it in a spell, and you're not tearing up or destroying or losing a favorite deck. I'm quite impressed with this, actually. Wow. We have more of like an orangey, yellow, red, warm tones for the wands. Oh, look at that. We've got blue tones for the cups. You know, impressed. Wow. All right. It's interesting how they mix kind of like a pip style with somewhat of a scene from like the traditional imagery we see. I'm not mad at it though. Like, I'm just thinking of all of the possibilities that you could use this deck for. If you're on a budget, this might be beneficial for you. Oh, this is red for the swords. What an interesting little find. What would be fun too, I just had a thought, since I really want to say they were $1. I don't have the receipt next to me, but if you were throwing a kind of Halloween party or a divination type party and you got these as favors for everyone, like they can go home with their own tarot deck. Like that would be kind of fun. I love party favors. Pentacles with the green in the background. I love that. I wish the swords would have been more of like a light blue or a gray. But that probably wouldn't work well with the kind of transparency of the white here of the symbol. So I get it. But maybe like a purple. Okay, we're coming up on the end here. All right, let's see how they shuffle. They do not feel flimsy at all. And like they snap back flat and straight. Yeah, I don't have an issue with this at all. I'm really impressed with how the quality is, how the symbolism is, the price tag for this. I am very happy. So for $1, even if it's $3, I can't quite remember, like I said, I am happy with it. It was on a whim purchase. I didn't expect to find it, and I did not think it was going to the quality was going to be up to this standard. So that's really exciting to see. So let me know your thoughts on this deck. If it's something that you're excited to purchase, to go out and find, what you would use it for. Let me know what you think. All of your thoughts are great. I love reading them. So don't forget to check out all of the links in the description box. I have my link tree in there. You can find all of my socials on there. I am doing private readings in my Etsy shop. That's listed in there as well. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.